Hey guys, welcome to my channel, SKM MTB Exploration. I'm doing a bike check. I'm showing you one of my bikes, which is a Scott 700 tuned. There's a bike frame. It's a non-boost 2017. It's actually, I only got the frame and the fork and the shock. I originally had Da Vinci Troy 2015, and then my head tube was broken, so I couldn't fix it, so I have to find a frame, and luckily I found this Scott Genius 700, which is, I get it for a good deal with the fork and the shock, and it's new for $1,300. Anyway, all my parts were transferred from Da Vinci to here, so I'll show what I got. So this is a Scott, but I got a Santa Cruz sticker because everyone was having Santa Cruz. I said, let me put up a Santa Cruz sticker. I put some wrap. These are car wraps with the, I forgot what was the name, the car wraps, and then camouflage car wraps as well. So I wrap it and then I put a 3M clear tape over it. Anyway, this is a 170 mil travel, front and back. I used to have a GX crankset. I was able to get this at Pro Closet for XX1 carbon crankset. I still have the old brakes and the rotors. The rims are made from China. I got it at Amazon. It's been 3 years that I use it at North Star, so it held up. So I put a sticker here to remember how much pressure I put in, including the fork. So anyway, this is switch, 3-switch shocks. So which is the cool thing about Scott. So you have a open, trail, and then lockout, which is cool. That's for both the rear shock and the front suspension. I put WTB tires. I used to put it with what they call it, Maxxis Minions, but I didn't have enough money, and I have this as a spare, so it works out. I put a race face stem. I believe it was like 40 millimeter to 35, and my handlebars, I upgraded this. Same thing with my e-bike there. These are all my bikes have descendant handlebars 35 millimeter. And then I always have the stem cap with the bottle cap with my favorite beer. So Pinoy's there knows this. So same thing with my e-bike, but I'll do the same thing later on with the e-bike. Anyway, my dropper is 1-up. It's 170 mil travel for the dropper post, and I put a wolf tooth switch, GX switch. I still have the old brakes, Dior. argon grips, and I put this from Amazon. All my bikes has this grips. It helps out on slipping. And I put the Star Wars sticker here, and same thing with the mud guard. It's a Star Wars Samurai. Anyway, going here, I only get the cheap NX cassette, a GX derailleur. I put some sticker here just in case I get confused which to turn on the high and low. And I got these Chainstay Protector. I already have this, but I did this on purpose because with my tire before, I got the Minion 2.6 which doesn't suck in there, but ever since I have this 2.5, every time I go drop, it goes in there, it sucks in. So the protector kind of bounces it back after it hits it, a drop, a big drop, a jump, it goes, the chain goes in because it's enough space to get sucked in there. So this helps. So, and ever since I got this, never had it. The boot, and always for me, I get this wide pedals. It's cheap, is Amazon, between $20 to $25. Anything else? I always have this bell just for people on the trails, hikers. So it's dirty, but anyway, it's enough to show you. There's a chain guide and a tensioner, so which is cool. And I just started going with this oval chain ring, which is, I think it's 26 tooth. I suck on climbing, but anyway, that's why I got my other bike, e-bike, because I go dead climbing up. What else is here? So nothing fancy. And oh, and these are good brands. Fun, chain guide, and bass guard. The chain tensioner is already been included in the frame, so I got a good buy with this frame since it came with everything. Headset, fork, rear suspension. Didn't come with a bottom bracket, but it came with I think a couple of through axle, and what else, the sizing that you can modify it. Anyway, I only get this rocket saddle, nothing fancy, and then I get this wire cable wrap, so it looks neat. Same thing with this, with my e-bike here. I do this wrap, which is now I have to get it fixed. Anyway, this is next that I'm gonna do the bike check. Please like and subscribe so I can make the second video. This is my to-go bike, and my e-bike is, if my friends are so fast and strong, showing you my Scott Genius / Santa Cruz. So guys, like and subscribe button so I can make the second video, and also to support my channel since I just started. It's so small. I'm just showing one of my bikes. Hopefully I'll show you the rest of my bikes. Most of my bikes I get good deals. I just keep looking online. You'll be surprised of how much I get the bikes for cheap. They're not really cheap, but it's really a better deal. And the e-bike as well. I'll review or give you a bike check. I also got a good deal with it. It's a highly spec, good price bike, and I still have other bikes, which is my favorite bikes. I just don't ride it as much because it's a pricier bike, but it's a better deal. I'll show it to you later on after this e-bike. Please like and subscribe button.